Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part of Changes by Black Sabbath. This video is in dedication to the late Ozzy Osbourne. I will leave the full chords and lyrics linked in the description and I will just sing as a reference point. So let's dive in. So this one has no sharps or flats in it. We're just using all of the white keys, so it's sort of C major, A minor, all of the white notes on the piano. It's fairly repetitive. I'm going to try and be as accurate as I can. Here is middle C as the reference point. I'll teach both hands at the same time, so left hand will be blue and right hand will be orange on the screen there. So the intro is almost the same as the verse. The very beginning is just ever so slightly different. I'll explain the chords that are being used as well. So I'm going to have my hand in this C major position, and my left hand is first going to play this G. The song is 3 beats in a bar, and the phrase always starts on the 3rd beat of the bar. So like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that. So we have then G, and then C, E, G, and then the left hand plays a low C, then the G, and the right hand comes and plays D minor 3 times, and then the C major chord, all whilst the left hand is holding that down. So the first chord, the first bit is C major over G, and then we have like D minor over C5 to C major. So do all of that again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And you repeat it. Almost. 3. C. G. Just play the D minor chord twice this time. So it's only the beginning. We play that D minor 3 times. If you listen to the track, you'll hear what I mean. So I'll play the intro one more time. And then the verse starts. So we do that 2 more times. I feel unhappy, I feel so sad. And this next part, we play the G, the C over G again, and then the left hand is going to come to D, A, and the right hand is going to come to D minor chord, first inversion, so that's F, A, D. I'm going to play that twice, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then we're going to break up the notes D, A, F, A, then we're back to the D minor over C5 chord again. C major. So I'll just do that second part again. I've lost a best friend that I ever had. And then we repeat all of that verse again. She was my woman, I loved her so, but it's too late now, I've let her go. So if I just play it from the beginning all the way to the end of this verse, and then we'll have a look at the chorus part. I feel unhappy, I feel so sad, I've lost the best friend that I ever had. She was my before we go into the chorus, we have another one of the C over G. So now we're going to break up these chords. As I said, I've tried to be more specific about how it's actually played. So again, we have the, and then we're going to break up F major. So in the left hand, we're going to play F, C, F, A, C, A, F. 1 and 2 and 3 and then we come to E minor, so E, octave E's. In the right hand we have G, B, and then we're going to play G, B in E, so first inversion of E minor, and then repeat that E. I'll do that again. E, E, G, B, chord, E. And then we come down to D minor, so D, D, and then the right hand, F, A, and then F, A, D all together. 1 and 2 and 3. And then we have another bar of D minor, but it's played slightly different. D, D, F, A, chord, D, F. And then we repeat those 4 bars again. So again, F major, E minor, D minor, D minor. We play that through twice. So I'll just do that 2 times. I'm going through changes. I'm going through changes. Then we have like 9 bars of sort of just instrumental. Next then, after we've played that chord progression twice, we come to G major. So G, D, G, B, chord G, B, D, and then B, G. And then we come to F major, F, F, A, C, and then A, C, F, F. Do that again. And then we come to A minor, so A, E. I'm going to play G, A. Then we're going to play the chord of A minor, which is A, C, E, with A and E in the left hand, and then repeat that C. I'll do that again. And then we have A minor again. We play this A again, and then we play G, G, B, D, and then quickly into A, C, E, together, together, together. I'll just do what we've done so far of this sort of post-chorus instrumental part. So from the G, and then we break up that A minor again, so A, C, E, and then we go back to this, so there's D minor over C5. So over G, and then the second verse starts, which we're going to play the exact same way as the first verse. So I'm just going to play all of that post-chorus instrumental part again at the sort of speed that it's played at. shared each day. In love together, we found a way. But soon the world had its evil way. My heart was blinded, love went astray. And then into the chorus, which we're going to play the same way as this previous one. I'm going through changes. I'm going through changes. And then we have this interlude part, so there's no vocals. The chords are all on the screen, it's nothing new, so I'm just gonna play it. And then we're into the third verse. We're going to play that the same way as the other verses, so I'm just going to continue. It took so long to realize that I can still hear her last goodbyes. Now all my days all filled with tears. Wish I could go back and change all these years. So then the chorus is still the same. I'm going through changes. I'm going through changes. And then we have, so this bit is still the same, so the G, the F, and the A minor with the G in there. This bit's still the same, but we repeat this next bit, so the quick G to the A minor 3 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then it ends there. So I'll just do this last chorus to the end. I'm going through changes. I'm going through changes. end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.